Hello, Samkoon friends. We've added a new calibration method for our SK Series HMI. What you see now is the default factory program. First, let's power off the HMI, then power it on again. During power on, a mouse-like cursor will appear. Long press on this page. You will hear a beep sound. After the beep, a pop-up window will show up, asking whether to enter calibration mode. Click OK. After clicking OK, it will enter the calibration mode. Use a pointed tool to tap the center of the crosshairs. After finishing tapping, a calibration success pop-up will appear. Then click OK. The HMI will restart, indicating successful calibration.